Hello guys, today I will tell you every single thing you need to know about ProDentim before you actually buy this product, and I also have two extremely important alerts to help you preserve your health. So please pay close attention to what I have to tell you. So the first point of attention is be really careful about the website you're going to purchase ProDentim from, because currently this product can only be sold on its official website. Many people have been scammed trying to buy it from marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Also, watch out for ads or reviews here on YouTube from people with weird robotic voices saying that they used the product when they actually didn't. To help you, I am leaving the link to the only official website below in the description of this video. And there is something that I found about this product that nobody tells you, so stay with me until the end of the video to learn more about that. So what is ProDentim and does it actually work? Even if you have excellent hygiene, you can still have gum problems, bad breath, and unhealthy teeth. This is a 100% natural product manufactured in the United States in FDA-approved facilities using the latest technology and equipment. It is the only product in the world with its powerful blend of ingredients. It is completely safe, and its formula is scientifically tested and proven to help you finally have a healthy mouth. This product has helped thousands of people, and I'm sure you can have amazing results as well. This product will definitely bring back your quality of life. But don't think that this works like magic. In fact, if someone tells you that, be suspicious, because there is no such thing. You need to take the product every single day. Otherwise, you will be frustrated with your results. The best results come when you use it consistently for 3 months or longer. Therefore, I strongly recommend that you take advantage of one of the large packages they offer. Since this product is 100% natural, it has no side effects, and it is produced under the highest quality standards. Also, if you're worried about whether or not it will work for you, because after all, each body reacts in a different way to each product, the supplier gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can actually test the product, and if you don't like it for any reason, you can get a refund, no questions asked. That really shows how much the creators of this product trust it. I really hope I helped you with this ProDentim review, and again, be really careful about the website where you're going to purchase it from, and remember to use it every single day and commit to your treatment. If you liked the video, hit thumbs up for more. Thank you and good luck to everyone.